This big fella's turn now. Lasiodora Klugi, Scarlet bird eater. And this git is a nasty bugger. You won't handle him. I'm not changing his, I'm not rehearsing him, I'm just putting in more substrate in and moving things around a bit. But he's still got to come out for me to do that because he's an asshole. There I go. Let's see, they're normally nasty. Oh, not too bad this time. Come out. Because he's awake. Oh man, he likes his wood though, he does. So I'm going to put in some more wood in. Oh, he's getting out. That's it. Right. Come on, up you go. You know the drill. That's it, pal. And that's him. He's flicked a few hairs there. Look at that big boy. He was huge when I first got him, but he's a fully grown male now. So he's just after a woman all the time. Just like Fred. Look at him. He's just saying his substrate added and what have you.